Hey everyone, if your Vivaldi browser is running slow, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to speed it up and fix performance issues. First, close any extra tabs you're not using. Too many open tabs can use a lot of memory and slow the browser down. Next, check your extensions. Go to the Extensions menu and disable any unnecessary add-ons, especially ones you don't recognize or rarely use. Now clear your browsing data. Go into Settings, then Privacy, and clear cache and cookies. This helps remove temporary files that can slow performance over time. After that, make sure Vivaldi is updated to the latest version. Open the About section and install any available updates to improve speed and stability. So, if it's still slow, check your computer's background apps. Close heavy programs that are using CPU or RAM while you're browsing. Next, you can try enabling hardware acceleration in Vivaldi settings. This helps improve performance, especially when watching videos or using graphics-heavy sites. Finally, restart your browser after making these changes and test the speed again, and that's it. Yeah, these steps should fix most Vivaldi slow performance issues and make your browsing experience much faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.